actually supporting young scholars, as you know, and it is a really gratifying thing to get to have watched them develop with the support of this award.
The Friends grant gave me the opportunity to really run my own branch of research, which let me learn how to do all of those steps more independently.
It really kind of gave me a huge leg up in that learning process, and it made me have to think very critically about the choices I'm making for my study. And there were a lot of mistakes, but thankfully I had fantastic guidance along the way to help right the ship.
It is not free to do science. We're not historians that look at paper books in some library. Rather, we do pretty innovative work that does often involve new technology or development of technology, having a launch pad for taking those great ambitions and skills and ideas and then moving them forward in a constructive way that gives us good answers and leads to other things.
The project was fun, but what was so great about the project was that it led to other projects that other students got to use and learn and grow from. So I think his point is very valid. It's not just about that project, but what that project could lead to.
It's really important to have budgets and be able to manage budgets and also establish a track record of funding. So that's a really important thing for not just moving into industry, but also staying in the academic world. The ability to attract funding and execute on those projects is a really core career skill. And I feel like the Friends of BrainHealth really helps people to gain key critical experience in that realm, which is not traditionally something that we cover as a course.
When you graduate, like I'm about to, and you're trying to get hired, you really need your own distinct area of research. That's what makes you hireable. That's what makes people want to read your papers. And so not only did I have my dissertation research as a line of research, but also I had my Friends research as a line of research. So I have two different research areas that I could bring to the table. And I think that probably helped me get hired here at Center for Brain Health.
I have never seen a program like this throughout any of the institutions I've been at, and I've been at quite a few now. So to be able to offer a substantive amount to students early in their scientific career, it doesn't exist. This isn't something that I've seen at any other university at the doctoral student level.